Oh, yeah. Sweet. It's here. It's here. It's here. I need scissors. I need scissors. I need scissors. It's here. It's here, it's here, it's here. Woo. Woo. Oh, baby. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's actually heavy. Yeah. Oh my god. God, that's heavy. Alright. Let's do a walk around first. Okay, so that's it there. Ooh. I wanna. Too bad I can't. I don't. I do. Hang on. I do have a tripod. Ugh. I do have a tripod. What am I doing? It's here. Oh, I don't have the base. Is the base on my camera? Oh, it is. No, I don't have the base for it. That's a bit dumb. I don't know where the base is gone. Hang on, let me check my camera. Please tell me you're on the bottom. Please tell me you're on the bottom. Ah, it's not. Oh, never mind. I think I found it. No, it's not. No. Oh, okay, never mind. Seriously, I have lost the base for my. I have lost the base for my thingy. Let's see what we can do. What time is it? 8:18. Still a huge time. At least put that in there. This kind of should work. Okay, that's not gonna work. I think I've damaged the head of it. Oh, I have. That's not good. Alright, we will skip that for now. First, we will get onto this. Okay. Can we see? Can we see? Okay. Where'd my scissors go? I don't even know where I put my scissors now. There it is. Nebula Linear Keychron HE. I don't want to kill the box. %, 96% board. Oh my god, it's heavy. Alright. So, that's my bin. Not bad. From Wednesday to now, less than a week. Fast delivery, I tell you that. Fast delivery. Alright. That's it. That one. Let's put it up a bit. Alright, so, oh boy, you know, put it there. Okay. So, keychron Q5 HE. It is 96% keyboard. I don't want to kill the outer box of it. Oh boy. Is it online? No. Oh. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Oh gosh, that's heavy. It's nicely sealed in there too. Oh god, it's vacuum. Alright, so what do we have? Quick start guide. Oh, it comes as a Mac first, but it's got the keycaps for it inside. Okay. That's to prove it's magnetic switch. It says magnetic switch on those. Okay, so we'll take out the first. We got keycap pullers. Screws, feet. I'm pretty sure this is a feet for it. Allen key, screwdrivers, the whole lot. That's alright. I was gonna get the braided cable. Oh, it is done, but so it comes with a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So right there. What else do we have? Extra keycaps for Windows, because I'm pretty sure this is using Mac cells. Yeah. And USB. This is why I got this, is that it's cordless and 1000 millisecond polling rate compared to the Wooting one, which is 2, but at that speed it's nearly irrelevant. It's so super fast, and it's cordless. That's why I like the dongle for that. All right, let's get it out. Oh boy, here we go. Oh gosh, it's a biggie. Woo! Woohoo! Wow. Love that. It's really heavy. It's a heavy, really heavy. That's all I can say. I don't want to plug it into cordless yet because I already got the ducky here on USB-C. Take this out actually. The ducky is already on USB-C, so I can easily plug it into USB-C. Anyway, but we'll go around it first and have a look here. Come on. So, 96% board. Put it in the middle. Gosh, where's my mouse pad so dirty? 96% board. So, page up, page down, they're all in just one area instead of having the 2 there. Just 3 lines up there. Oh, I don't know if these are customized. Well, the whole keyboard's customizable, but you see, it's the Mac keyboard. It states the option 1 in there, so I need to take those off later on. But they're easy for that one. But ooh, it's actually quite light. More like it. I'm not used to it, because if you look at the ducky up here, these are MX Blues. So let's put notepad on. I don't know. notepad. So on the notepad, come on, load, you Mongo. There we go. So that's tactile. This is nothing. Oh, so nice. Okay, so build quality too for this is it's all aluminum. So how am I gonna put this? Move ducks. Move ducky. Alright, so it is all aluminum board. That's solid. It is quite heavy. It is heavy. I can't remember what the weight for this is. I'll check the quick start guide, but the back of it is that's all aluminum. I'm pretty sure that's fucking steel. Jesus Christ. Alright. Let's have a look. Alright. Put you back in. Alright. So come out. I need to I need to redo that. But this is my trustworthy ducky. And it's coming with me to work. It's coming with me to work. I have a TKL Logitech at work, TKL Pro, but that's starting to get a bit on my nerves at the moment because it's having the ghosting issues at the moment, the double pressing issues. So yeah, okay, moment of truth. We'll click on Mac. Actually, hang on. So quick study guide, what do we need to take off? We need to take, I want to replace it now so I don't have to deal with it later on. So these two and the out down there. Pretty sure, I can't remember what it is. These are keycaps. I think these are keycaps. No, these are switch ones, this is keycaps. Or is it this way? No, it's this way. One, two, and three. Yeah. So I put them in the right order because I don't want to be going firing in the wrong order. Remember the time. This will be a quick review because I have to go pick up my kids from the airport since they come back today. So out goes here. Nope, that out goes here actually. The out one and the other one is a smaller version of it. And the Windows key. Oh, I love that sound. Feels like you're just floating. I can tell you now, HE switches are way different to what I'm used to. I've been through nearly every single MX keys there are. MX cherries. I prefer the blues because I'm a really clicky type person, so nearly all my keyboards were blues, but I've gone through browns, reds, blues. I'm still have to go through blacks. I've tried them, but I haven't actually owned a board which is with the black keys. Nice and heavy. I love them. Alright, let's see. I'll put it to Windows. Cable will be a cable, not G2. Oh gosh. Cable's in the middle. And let's go. Ooh. It's a bit low. this button is for. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. I'm already loving it. Okay, these are staying in the box. I have to tidy up quickly. So, in the box you go first. Okay. So, have a look at the quick start guide for this one. Actually, tell me what the weight is for it. I want the fully assembled version. It doesn't tell you. Oh, it's Bluetooth too. It's got wireless dongle and Bluetooth, which I like, because then I can just connect it to my other keyboards at home here in my workstation over there. Okay, so it is battery is 4,000 milliamp hours, which will last quite a fair few bit on the charge. With RGB on, it's 100 hours work on it. Charging time takes 5 hours, but we're mostly here anyway. Doesn't have to wait. I'm really keen to know what the weight on this is, because I'll tell you, it's fucking heavy. It's really, really heavy. Default keycaps. That's Windows, that's Mac. Keys. So it has oh, I forgot about this. Ooh, the knobs. Insta mute button too. But Jesus, these are heavy. This is one heavy fucker, I tell you that. Oh, these are programmable multimedia keys too. No, they're here. So I don't know what that is for. Hang on. Authors the device. Okay, hang on. Can we? Yeah. I want to see if all the keys are working. Oh, okay. Because it doesn't have a right window one. Okay, all my keys are working, which is good. Yep, they're working. Alright, what are the settings from these? Fast key mapping, light mode. No. I wish I. Okay, you've heard. Okay, cool. That does it. Some stuff still I need to go through here. Okay. I need to learn more of this. There's a lot of I don't know if there's even new firmwares for it even. I only had, okay. There's a lot to look at. I don't have the time to look at it right now, but look at that later. Microsoft 365. Okay, I'm actually still 2 hours left in transferring the 200 gigs over the network from a dead drive. It's slowly, actually, here I am recovering SSDs at the moment. But yeah, I'll need to go through that. I don't have the time for it yet. Got stuff to do today. But when I have to give you guys a quick I just wanted to give you guys a quick look on the board, and I shall be off pretty soon. Yeah, actually, what's that there? Whoa. Should we give it a try? Why not? Let's have a look. Okay, why not? I don't think this will give it a bit of grief at the moment, but why not? Let's have a look. Oh. I'm more of a high typer like that, but I have to get used to this. Okay. Cool. There should be a death match going along still too. Can we put this up a bit? Yeah. I don't need my headphones because I'm gonna be playing. Seriously. God, that's so light. It's so light, I'm going to get used to it. And for all you saying I should go cordless, no, I'm not going. Not cordless mouse. Nope. I love my heavy mouse, my G502s with all the weights in it. I'm gonna go back. If I'm gonna go cordless, I'm gonna go to another G502X. But that's out of my price range at the moment after buying this. Oh, stay there. Was it CT, I think. I have stuff to do. Don't get me hooked on right now. Don't get me hooked on at the moment. That's the tilt. I'm so used to having the tilt key with the escape key on my 60%. I was wondering why I keep bringing the console up. Okay. Gosh, yeah, it's so nice. I mean, I need to install. I don't need to install. It's via it's like Wooting's one where you just access it via browser. But oh, gosh, that's something to knife him. What the hell? Oi, I legged him. Seriously? Oi, how did they miss that? Fuck you. I can say too is that CS2 is a CPU hungry bitch. And upgrading to a 5600X just made it twice as fast now. Which is really good. 7/10. Ready? Oh, it's upper too. This guy's gonna die. Oh, really? It wants either on short or... Oh, I stopped it. I just keep missing by small. I'm not really in the gaming mood at the moment, but because I've got so much stuff to do for that. I'm meant to be working, but oh well. Wait. I knew it. He's up there. Too high. Too high. Gotcha. Ah, but it's so nice and quiet now. But it's so it's responsive for what it is. It is very responsive, and I probably will have to adjust the sensitivity of the keys, because I want more sensitivity. Oh, CT. No, you don't. There's two mid. No, you don't. Ah, it's up there. Not bad. Oh, shit, from behind. There's one behind. There's one being shot already. Gotcha. Oh my god. Gotcha. Woohoo! Jumping to pit. One again. Probably reported. CT. Short. Oh my god. Pit. Oh, why? Why? Too far. Oh, short. Damn it, I didn't turn around. Oh, there's one coming up. Huh? He is lowers. Gotcha. Oh, really? How did I miss that? Oh, fuck. It's right there. What if I had my headphones on? Nope. GG. Alright, first. First review. Yes. Worth it. Really worth it. Casing is all aluminum, which is I like the heaviness of it. I don't like light keyboards. Don't ask me why I bought the 60%. I like the 60% for the keys and the layout of it. But it was a bit too light for me. I mean, if you look at the underneath here, for these, the stands for it, I just move them when I'm playing. Just like this. Oops. You go. That's what happens. You just go. You play and you go. Yeah. No, I actually pushed it and that's it. But I like it. I like this one too. So this is gonna stay in my collection for quite a while. This is the Chinese New Year one, and there is one which I'm wanting to get, which is the Year of the Dragon, which has complete dragon keycaps all around it, which I hope I'll get. I can get it off soon, but I'm missing these. I want these on here because I type really high compared to that. If you look at it, I don't put my hands over it, but that'll be good. But I'll do a more in-depth review of these of the Q5 HE Max. 96%. Gosh. Did I get it right? Q5 HE. Because when I got this, there was no reviews on YouTube or whatever site I can find. Only Q1s, the 60%, the Q1s. And I was kind of getting frustrated with the function key on this one, but I got over it. I mean, 60%. What else do you what else do you what else do you buy with it? I mean, everything's under function key. But I've also wanted one as a full size mechanical when my daughters have my original Cooler Master and HyperX keyboards. They got mine now, and I moved to this one. I gave it to them, but this needs a clean. But yeah, I've always wanted to go full size Mac keyboard again and buy a proper one which will last me. Those other two only lasted me a year each, and this one will last me quite a few while. I wanted HE too. I wanted to move to HE. I would have gone Wooting. Wooting had the 60 HE and the 80 HE, and the only difference I don't like about those is that this is cordless. Higher polling rate, 2000 millisecond, but I'm no esport player, and I just play games just for the heck of it, really. Play trends and stuff, but that is the deal breaker for me, was wait for the 80 HE, which is just not even full size. It's 10 kilos if I remember correctly. I am sure it is 10 kilos. The 80 HE. Oh wait, no. One of the guys has them. Well, what am I doing? Yeah, it is 10 kilos. It is 10 kilos, but it's ABS plastic though. That's the thing. I'm pretty sure it was plastic. Gasket mounts, PC. It's got metal plate. Of course, it's metal plates inside. It's a good thing, but it wasn't for me. To be quite honest, it never grasped me until I saw this, and I wanted the Q1 when it first came out. I looked at it and I was like, I wanted the Q1, but I held off because money-wise, it was kind of out of range at that time. But now, this came out, and all I can find is the Q5 Max, which was the Gateron Blues. I'm pretty sure it was the Q5 Max. I'm pretty sure it was. Yeah, it's the wireless one with either Gateron, Jupiter Reds, Browns, or Bananas. I'm pretty sure the Bananas with the yeah. So basically, this was the Q5. This was the Q5 Max, and they brought it out in HE version, but no one's reviewed it. They all reviewed this too. This came out in 2022. I'm pretty sure 2021, 2022. The Max, and then the Q5 HE came out this year, in line with Wooting's 60 HE and the 80 HE coming out. But this came out silently, like really silently. No one's reviewed it. No one's mentioned it, and I'm pretty sure. On the HE series, we have the K2s, which are 65%. You got the Q1 HE QMK If I'm mistaken, that's 70%. Q3 is a 10 keyless version, but it's a full-size 10 keyless, unlike the Q5, which is a 96%, which all these buttons are here, they're all squished in. So basically it's not a 10, it's a full-size board, except this is squished. And the Q3s are 10 keyless, but it's literally 10 keyless 10 keyless what do you call that style. And then you've got the Q1 HEs, which are this one basically. Take that off, take the numpad off, and that's it. And the K2 HEs are the direct competitor to the 60 HEs at the moment. I'm pretty sure it is, except that the 60 HE is a proper, I'm pretty sure it's a power 60 HE. Yeah, 60%. That's a proper 60%. And the keychron K2s are 16, 65, 70%. I'm pretty sure it is 60%. I can't remember. I keep getting lost with these keyboard styles nowadays. But yeah, I'll give this a proper review soon. I got stuff to do right now, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.